Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to recolor and After Effects. Recoloring elements in After Effects is a common task for adjusting the look and feel of your footage or animations. Here's how to do it. First method, using Hue Saturation Effect. In your composition, choose the layer you want to recolor, go to Effect, Color Correction, Hue Saturation, and the Effect Controls panel, adjust the Master Hue slider to shift the overall color of the layer. This changes all colors in the layer simultaneously. If you want to change a specific color, use the Channel Control drop-down and use Saturation Effect, and choose a specific color range, for example, reds, blues, greens. Adjust the hue, saturation, and lightness sliders to achieve the desired recoloring effect. Next method, using the Change the Color effect. Click on the layer you want to recolor, go to Effect, Color Correction, change the color. In the Effect Controls panel, adjust the hue, lightness, and saturation options to refine how the new color is applied. Use the matching tolerance and matching softness sliders to control how much of the original color is replaced. By using these methods, you can effectively recolor elements in After Effects to match the creative vision of your project. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.